And in Sydney, poor weather and strict public health orders saw a New Year's celebration like never before. With the CBD and surrounding harbour foreshore areas off limits, the city was a ghost town, with people told to stay away.
The end of 2020, a year we'll never forget. COVID-19 turned into the 2020 pandemic. And as we enter a new year, it's once again causing major disruptions to our lives as another outbreak escalates across 2 states. The 7 minutes fireworks display, set to an all-Aussie soundtrack, still held a touching tribute to frontline workers, even though they couldn't be there in person. And no one else could either. Inner city councils like Waverley Council and the Inner West Council decided to close their parks and public spaces ahead of New Year's Eve because they felt they couldn't organise the event in time. The situation was changing very rapidly. The police presence was substantial, with the added task of enforcing public health orders. They may not have had to deal with huge crowds, but with household gatherings limited to 5 people, they warned anyone holding big house parties to expect a knock at the door.
This is about community safety from our perspective, COVID safety.
The last thing we want is to welcome in 2021 with a super spreading event.
Outdoor gatherings were limited to 30 people, with some making the most of it as the rain cleared.
Happy New Year!
A new year and a new hope that in 2021 life gets that little bit easier. Kenny Heatley, Sky News.